Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the perfect buffer mixture for a specific pH is actually super simple once you know the secret trick. Let's solve this chemistry problem together right now. The pH of a buffer is determined by the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, which relates the pKa of the weak acid to the ratio of the conjugate base and acid concentrations. For the pH to equal the pKa exactly, the log term must be 0. This only happens when the concentrations of your weak acid and conjugate base are perfectly equal. In mixture C, equal volumes of the same molarity for Hz and NaZ are combined. Since the pKa of Hz is 4, this specific mixture gives us our target pH. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush.